structure of model of atom. Okay, because already we have studied that is how the electron discovered, what is the charge of electron, what is the charge of proton. This all things we have studied. So now we are going to study the distribution of electron proton in the atom. Okay, the first model you know very well, that is in your syllabus what is there, J.J. Thomson model. And second model you know, that is we will go Rutherford model. And third one we will go the Bohr model. And simultaneously we are going to study the failure of these model, right? So what we are going to do, student, we are going to start from the J.J. Thomson model. I told you already, J.J. Thomson was the awarded for his work in physics, okay, as a Nobel Prize. But his model was completely failed, because what he gave the model, that is based on his observation. There was not the practical proof of that model, because he seen so many things that they are found in the spherical, like the sun is spherical, moon is spherical, and that is the fruits are spherical. So he thought that is atom, he assumed that if maximum things are spherical, natural things are spherical, it means the atom can also be spherical, right? Like that he told. Okay, and what he thought, that is at that time he was not knowing, he didn't perform any experiment for the position of electron and proton. So he thought that is as like the fruits, seeds are there na, seeds are there in the atoms, that is seeds are there in the fruit. Similarly he thought that is the these electrons are representing the seeds. Okay, and what about the proton? Proton, he said, that is the sphere of the fruit will be the proton. But this all the points gets failed, student, if this all the point gets failed when Rutherford performed the experiment. Okay, so his theory was totally based on the just imagination. Okay, nothing was the proof for that. So we are going to study about that. Please try to listen carefully. I will be writing the things also. If you can write, that will be very good for you. And if you don't want to write, that also it's okay, because already they are in the notes. But if any things which you find that this can be the useful, you please do write that. Okay, so here I am erasing the something mathematics or physics, whatever is there. Then we are writing the atomic model. The first heading we are going for atomic model. Student, when you are talking about atomic model, if you are talking about atomic model, so first of all we have to understand what is meaning of atomic model. Okay, we have to understand the meaning of atomic model. It's not visible at all. Wait. Can I help you? So, student, in the atomic model, what we are going to do, student, atomic model means, okay, atomic model means structure of atom, that you can say structure of atom, and distribution of what is, student, and distribution of electron, proton, and electron, proton, and neutron. Electron, proton, and neutron. Right, student? Here, student, you know, this is the what the meaning of the atomic model. Distribution of electron, proton, and neutron in the atom. Neutron in atom. Okay. This is what is the meaning of the atomic model. Okay. Neutron we will distribute after the discovery of Rutherford model. After the Rutherford model, only the neutron get discovered, student. Right. So what we are going to do, student, here first of all we are writing the first model. Okay, atomic model, there are so many model. The first model is J.J. Thomson model. Okay, J.J. Thomson model. J.J. Thomson model. You know, student, very well. If you read out the notes now, you will be able to understand each point. Okay. So already you know, but for some students if they are lacking, so for them we are revising. So dear student, you prefer the some reference book also, okay? Other than NCERT, you try to read out some other book also, okay? Don't stick with the NCERT only. If you are having the some other opportunity, so you try to read out the other book also. So what he said, the student J.J. Thomson model is the first model for the explanation of the structure of atom. What is the first point, student? If you are going for the first point, okay, the shape of atom is the shape of atom is the shape of atom is how much, student? How atom is
Fair.
spherical. The shape of atom is spherical. Okay. Second point, the same, just like we can write that is just like watermelon. Ana is spherical, just like watermelon. Okay. Now, student, you go for the second point. What is the second point? Okay. If you are going for the second point, student, this model is saying, that is electrons are embedded. Where embedded, student? Electrons are embedded in atom, in sphere, you know, in sphere. How, student? Electrons are embedded in sphere, just like
Seed.
yes,
Seed
yes, yes.
in watermelon.
Yeah, yeah. Just like seeds are embedded in watermelon. Just like seeds are embedded in watermelon. Okay. This is the second point, student. This is the second point. What was third point, student? Okay. The positive charge proton. The positive charge proton, student. You are going positive charge proton. The positive charge proton are
Sure.
present in are present in surface of
Atom.
atom. Yes, yes. Present on surface of atom, you also can see. Present on surface of atom. Okay, surface of atom. Next point, what he said, students. The fourth point, number of electron, and number of proton. Okay, number of protons are same. Number of electrons and number of protons are same. So these were the four basic points, student, which comprises of J.J. Thomson model. So if you go, student, and if you try to find out that J.J. Thomson model why failed, that is, he never tell any point regarding the nucleus of atom. Okay, you know very well that is, he is not telling anything about the nucleus of atom. He is not telling about neutron also, although neutron discovered very late, but he can tell now where is the center of atom. He did not tell anything. How they are going to combine, he did not tell anything. Just he said that is how the electrons and protons are distributed. But this model completely failed after the discovery of Rutherford model. Student, can I erase these points?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you are writing, you make a note of it. स्नेहा, आलोक, चाहत, मुस्कान, मुस्कान आ रही हो? मुस्कान, मुस्कान आ रही हो? लाफिंग मुस्कान. सुमन, वंशिका, Earlier I was not knowing the name, but now I am able to know your name. Suvi Rai.
Yes, sir.
How are you, Suvi?
Fine, sir.
Okay. So I am erasing student. I hope you people might put this one. So we are going to study the failure of Vedic Samsung model. Failure. So student, how can you be able to understand the failure? This model failed after the discovery of
Rutherford
Rutherford
model.
model. This model failed after the discovery of Rutherford model. So I am writing here failure, Failure, failure of Thomson model. Failure of Thomson's model. Okay. How student? How failed? This model failed. This model failed. This model failed. FAI failed. This model failed after the Rutherford experiment. After the Rutherford experiment. Rutherford experiment. This model failed after Rutherford experiment. Okay, when, as when, okay, as when he passed, what he agreed passed positive ways, positive ways, positive ways, that is positive way, that is alpha rays to the atom, to the atom, and observe atom, and he observed what is student, and he observed that 99.9% is pass state. 99.9% is pass state. Pass state. That is pass state. That is that is there is no positive charge. That is there must not be positive charge on surface. There must not be positive charge on surface. As as similar charges, as similar charges gets repelled. Similar charges gets repelled. So what happened here, student? You know very well, that like charges repel. Positive charge will be what, student?
sir.
That is going to
Repel.
repel, and opposite charges is going to attract.
Attract.
This point you know very well. Okay. Is it visible on your screen, student? What
Yes,
I am
sir.
writing? Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, thank you very much. So, student, what they are saying this model thing after the Rutherford experiment, as when he passed positive rays, that is alpha rays to the atom, he observed that 99% rays pass straight. That is, there must not be positive charge on surface, as similar charges gets repelled. Means Thomson was saying that is positive charge is there on the surface, student. Thomson was saying the positive charge is on the surface. If you are passing the atom, if suppose surface is there, suppose this bottle is the surface is positive charge, and I am also passing the positive charge, that should repel. If like charges repel, unlike charges attract. It means there is no positive charge on the surface of atom. So how we can elaborate this point? Okay. So experimentally, J.J. Thomson model failed. So repel. So this model failed. We can write that is, so this model failed. This model failed. FAIL. Can you write, student, this one?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
in the second last line, you have written that is there must be positive charge on the surface.
There must not. I am very extremely sorry. There must not
Not.
be. There must not be. Okay, by mistake I wrote. There must not be positive. There must not be positive charge on surface as similar charge gets repelled. अभी क्लियर हुआ क्या?
Yes, sir.
ओके, पहले लिख लीजिए, 1 मिनट का टाइम है आपके पास, 1-2 मिनट का.
Written.
Written.
Written. Okay. Girls also written. Girls. Chinmay.
Yes, sir. Written. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I am erasing this one. What I am going to do here. Okay. I am going to make it the diagram of. Okay. Whatever you are writing, just make the diagram. If you are making the diagram also, the concept will be clear. Okay, so let us try to draw the diagram. How the J.J. Thomson was saying, student, see the atom which is spherically and diagrammatically doing. This is the circular, this is not spherical. What I did here is 2D, so circular we can draw. And spherical shape you are doing, so that is I am making the axis like that. Okay. If you have seen the watermelon, you can make like that. So what he is saying, student, that is wherever the line you are seeing, on that what is there? Positive charge is there. Okay. On the surface also positive charge. This is the positive charge. Okay. Here is also positive charge. These are the positive charge. Here is positive charge. These are the positive charge. And student, if I talk about the where is the negative charge, so you know very well the negative charge is embedded in it. So on the surface I am getting positive charge. So negative charge I am getting like the E minus, not on the axis. Here is also E minus. Here I am making E minus. Here is E minus. E minus. Here is E minus. This is E minus. Here is also. Okay. So if you are making that is here is the positive charge proton on surface. Positive charge proton on surface. Proton on surface. Positive charge proton on surface. E minus is what, student?
Seeds.
Negative charge electron embedded, okay, into surface, into positive surface. Negative charge electron embedded, EMBED embedded into positive surface. What we are going to do, student, we are approaching this model. Okay, we are studying the failure of this model. So how can you see, student? According to should be, what should be, student? If the positive ray is passing, okay, this is the positive, no? This is positive rays. So it should be, no, that should be, this should be, okay, this should be, no, should be means expected. Should means expected. So expected is what, that is if you are passing positive rays, so positive get strike and deflect. Okay, it should deflect. If you are passing this one, again it should return back. If you are passing this one, it should deflect. Okay, if you are passing the rays, it should deflect. Okay, expected. But what actually, what is found? What is found? Okay, I have found. How it was found is today. How it was found that if you are taking the positively charged atom, this atom, so when you are passing, what you find student, the rays pass. These rays are passing, student. Okay, 99% rays are passing. This is what found. Okay, experimentally Experimentally found. So dear student, experimentally what they found, that is the rays are passing straight. Yes, yeah. See the rays are passing straight. Yes, yeah. Experimentally found passing straight. But it was expected. Okay. Should be or expected. But what they are saying, but not deflect. Okay, but rays not deflect. But rays not deflect. Rays not deflect. Okay. So what we can write? So the model failed. So the model failed. So the model failed. Are you be able to see, student?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Write down, please. Draw the diagram. I am bringing the chalk. Done, student. Written.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anyone wants to have chalk piece to you?
Yes, sir. I want.
Okay. So let us try to ask from the students, okay, that what they understood. So let us see. One by one, we are going and asking the concept. So first of all, go start from the Ansika, Anisika. Anisika, are you listening? Are you
Yes, sir.
listening? Yeah. Tell me about
Yes, sir.
detail about the Thomson model and its failure, please.
Sir Thomson said that the electron in the atom are spreaded like seeds in the watermelon, and the
Vansika.
positive
Vansika, now, okay, Vansika, you tell. Vansika is not there. Audible? No.
Yes, sir.
Suman, okay, tell the J.J. Thomson model. Detail. You people are not concentrating, huh? Suman.
Sir, may I say?
Sir, may I?
Yeah, tell.
Sir, according to J.J. Thomson's model, atomic is spherical in shape. Protons are uniformly distributed on the surface of the atom. Electrons are embedded in positive charge spheres. Number of protons is equal to number of electrons.
Very good, very good. Okay. Why this model failed?
Sir, can I say?
Organizer.
Okay.
Sir, can I?
Okay. Tell. Failure, you tell. Suvirai.
Yes, sir. It failed because he didn't mention about the nucleus, and he didn't said that electrons orbit around the nucleus. And it also failed after the Rutherford specified the nucleus by his experiment. And he also said that the number of electron are equal to the number of proton, but it was wrong. Because
It was wrong in case of the which one? Ionic species. In case of ionic, but in case of atom, it was okay. Getting, if it is in case of the ions like Na plus, so number of proton is 11 and number of electron is 10. But if you are talking about only atom, so for only atom it is correct only. Number of proton equal to number of electron. But if it is ion, so that is the wrong. Okay. So that is the advantage only. In some book it is written like that he failed that atom is not neutral. Okay. He did not explain the neutrality of atom. But actually he said the number of proton and number of electron are same. In good book, if you are studying now, you will find that is he explained the electric advantage of this model. If explain the electrical neutrality of atom. That is what the advantage. Okay. So I am asking this model. I think everybody understood. I am asking some other. Om Singh, is it audible to you? Om Singh.
Yes, sir.
Om, you tell me the discovery of neutron.
The neutron was discovered by James Chadwick. After he find that the mass of the atom is almost double the number of protons.
Okay, good.
So he named another particle neutron.
How? Process. Process of discovery of neutron. You are not. Aditya Aryan, can you tell me how the process of discovery of neutron?
Can I say?
Aditya, yeah, tell me. Yes.
Sir, he was bombarding a thin foil of beryllium
So
with sir. So he found that the mass of neutron is near as same as the proton, but it has not charge, not any charge.
Not any charge. Anyone else? What is the equation? You will write like this. If you are not giving the equation, you will not get the marks. For discovery of neutron, you need to write the equation. Amit Raj, what is equation for discovery of neutron? I have given 3-4 equations, 3-4 example. You tell me at least one. Amit Raj.
Sir, A equals to Z plus N.
That is what the calculation of number of neutron. That is the calculation of number of neutron. Discovery of neutron. There was the equation for discovery of neutron. When you are bombarding. Yes, Chinmay, tell me.
Sir, beryllium plus helium gives carbon plus
neutron. Carbon plus neutron. So you need to practice, okay? Everything you need to practice well, okay? Otherwise, there will be the chances that you can lose the marks, okay? You need to keep in mind. Please, if you are having any book now, you refer to book also, other book also. There is too much time with you. Just try to read out the book, okay? Don't waste your time, okay? These things are there in the 11th standard book also. If you have time, you read the 11th standard book. You will enjoy that concept. Okay, so next one is the Rutherford model, student. Okay, Rutherford model. So Rutherford model was the practical proof. Rutherford model was the practical proof that atom is spherical and electron are around the nucleus, and the protons are in the center. That was the practically it is explained. And what was explained, student, that is volume of nucleus is negligible compared to volume of atom. And next point he said, that is total mass of atom. Total mass of atom is lies in the center of atom, known as what? Nucleus. Okay, in a small volume. There are n number of orbits possible around which the electrons are continuously revolving. So these things I am going to explain here. So what you need to do, student, you need to keep eyes on that, and I will ask from you also. Okay, so just try to keep in mind that what I am telling you. Okay, so let me put it out here. Yeah. So first of all, I am going to use this, and then I will write again. Okay. So we are dealing, that is Rutherford. This is what, student, Rutherford experiment. Rutherford experiment, right? Rutherford experiment. This we are going to study first one. So what he did, student, okay, that is what he did the experiment actually. The first point he did, that is he taken the atom and he passes the positive rays. Okay, he passes the positive rays. So what he was finding, that is 99% rays are passing straight. These are the experiment. Few rays, very few rays getting deflected here, and one rays return back. This is the deflected rays. If you are writing, student, these rays pass straight. These are what, student? These are rays pass straight. Rays pass straight.
To the atom.
Pass straight. Okay. Rays deflected. That is what, this is the point. Rays deflected from their path. From where, student? From their path. From their path. What is this line, student? What is this line? Okay, rays return back. Okay, rays return back. return back on its path. Okay. So what's the experiment, student? If you are writing the experiment, student, what you are going to find here? Experiment. So dear student, if you are writing the experiment, the first experiment was there 99.9% range pass state. 99.9% range pass state.
Two
This is the
data.
first thing. Okay. They are the positive rays. Positive rays. Positive rays nothing but that is this is nucleus of helium. This one. Few rays deflected. Few rays deflected. Third one. Very few rays. Very few positive rays return back. Return back on its path. On its path. These are the three. Student, is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you please make a note of it?
Yes, sir.
Experiment. Okay. So that is 99.9% pass straight. Few rays deflected from their path. Okay. From their, you can use from their path. From their path. Very few rays returned back on its path. Write down, students, please. Do you know today I purchased a new mask? See, it
Very
means
nice.
very nice.
Very
So
nice.
what you know to do when you are going outside, you also purchase the mask and wear the mask, right? Don't take lightly, student. Once the COVID will be there, na, if you caught by COVID, na, your age will be decreased 10 years. If suppose you want to, if you plan to live your life like that 90 years, na, it will reduce to 10 years. Okay, so it will reduce to zero also. It's not like zero also here, but 10 years is compulsory. That much damage it do to our body. So 10 years our life will decrease. So what I'm telling you, please take very good care of yourself. Can I erase this, student?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So this was the experiment that is actually the experiment. This is not experiment, student. This is the observation. I am very sorry. This is observation. This is observation, not experiment. What experiment, student? Experiment is the diagram. Experiment, he took the atom or the thin gold foil, and what he passed, student, alpha rays pass. Experiment, if you want to write, student, experiment I am writing here on the board. Let us see. He took experiment I am writing here. Little bit mistake. Okay, I did experiment. He took what is student? He took thin metal. He took thin metal gold foil. Gold. He took thin metal gold foil. Okay, foil. Then he found. What he found is student. Then he found. Okay, thin metal gold foil. No, gold foil and pass the alpha rays. Foil and pass the alpha rays. Pass the alpha rays. Pass the alpha rays. This is the experiment, student. He took the thin metal gold foil. Foil means C. Okay, thin gold metal C. And pass the alpha rays. Then it is the observation. Is it okay to you? Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is observation. Now we are doing the conclusion, student. Let us try to write down conclusion. Although you know very well, but again we are writing so that the things can be easy. Okay. Conclusion. So conclusion first, 99.9% raise pass straight means means what is student means maximum volume of atom is empty. Atom is what is student empty. EMPTY. This is the first point here, student. That is maximum phase pass state means the volume of atom is empty. Second point, few rays with few positive rays deflected. Few positive rays deflected from their path. Few positive rays deflected from their path. That is, there must be some positive charge particle. There must be some positive charge particle present in center. Third conclusion, student. Since very few rays return, back on their path. So the volume of positive charge in center is very small, known as nucleus. So dear students, the discovery of nucleus is done by the Rutherford. Keep in mind, the discovery of nucleus is done by Rutherford. So you know very well that 99% rays are passing straight. It means maximum portion of atom is empty. Okay. Few rays deflected, few positive rays deflected from their path. It means what, student? It means that is the some positive charge particle will be there in the center, so that they are getting deflected. Last one, very few rays return back on their path. It means the volume of positive charge center is very small compared to volume of atom, which is known as nucleus. So who discovered nucleus? Rutherford. Please write down. Are you be able to see, student, what I wrote here?
Yes, sir.
Write down, please.
Yes, sir.
Write down. Written.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes,
very good. So, student, what I am going to do tomorrow, I am going to ask whatever I taught in this chapter till now, that I will ask from you, and then we will study the Rutherford model of atom. Got it? So, this what you do, student, you please practice. Okay? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bye, student. Bye. Time over now.
Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Okay, welcome, welcome, welcome.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, welcome.